Alright, I got something kind of fun to play with. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Hi. How are you? You want to come out and play? Good boy. I'm in a bit of a bad mood right now. Aren't you, Keithy boy? So Keith is an Argus monitor, and that means he could hurt me really bad. Aside from this tail that can whip me in the face, and these razor sharp claws that are undoubtedly going to cut me, he has a very, very serious bite. These are one of the fastest, most athletic lizards in the world. Please don't bite me, Mr. Keith. Oh, what a good boy. How beautiful is he, though? Is that one of the most gorgeous animals you've ever seen in your life, or what? If he did bite down, I mean, it's going to be pretty serious. Those jaws are no joke. And they latch on, they cut, and they cut, and they cut. Boy. Good boy, Keith. Crap, don't hurt me, Keith. I love you too, dude. No, Keith, don't go. Oh my God. The size and the muscles in those legs. Even though Keith may look cute and cuddly, Argus monitors do not make the best pet lizards. Unless you're willing to lose a finger or two, you should probably stick to your bearded dragons.